Step into a space where classic elegance meets modern living. From grand mahogany doors to a mix of antique and 20th century pieces, every detail is designed with timeless sophistication and everyday function in mind. Llewellyn Sinkler Incorporated is a decorating practice established in 1993 by Llewellyn Sinkler. In her Fifth Avenue apartment projects, Llewellyn Sinkler creates elegant and sophisticated spaces. For example, in one such residence, she collaborated with architect John B. Murray to design a French polished mahogany front door with an oversized pull. The apartment's interiors are characterized by a refined approach, often incorporating classic architectural details and serene color palettes. These designs balance formality with comfortable living, adapting grand spaces for families while maintaining a sense of timeless elegance. When it comes to Fifth Avenue apartment projects, Llewellyn Sinkler Incorporated focuses on creating spaces that exude a refined elegance while still being highly functional for modern family life. These residences often showcase a masterful blend of classical architectural elements with carefully curated furnishings that span various periods, from antique to 20th century pieces. One hallmark of her Fifth Avenue designs is the meticulous attention to architectural detail. For instance, in collaboration with architects like John B. Murray, she has designed exquisite elements such as French polished mahogany front doors with oversized, distinctive pulls, setting a grand tone upon entry. This attention extends to creating serene color palettes and ensuring that each room maintains a sense of timeless sophistication.